Well, guess this is gonna be my new start. I'm from a different place. Time to search for new friends. Yay! Alright. Who's over there in the shade?
I'm your dead mother.
Cool! Will you be my friend?
No.
Why?
Because I will never be a friend.
Please!
Why would I?
Because you're cool.
Well, thanks for the compliment, but I can't be out in the daylight. I'll burn.
Oh, that's okay. Here, I'll help you.
Wait, no. Oh my god! I'm good.
Oh, don't be a scaredy cat.
Have you ever played a game on Minecraft? I burn in daylight. So does zombies. And zombies don't have any brains. They don't even know what they're doing. And I had no brains either.
That's because you're from the dead.
Okay, yeah, I am from the dead. What do you expect?
Your mother?
Don't talk about my mother. Oh,
Why don't you come out here and fight me?
No, I'll stay in the shade. I'll shoot you in the face. Draw. And stay out.
What a jerk! He's just being mean to me. Fine. It's time for me to find a new one, I guess. Exterminating all losers! Exterminating all losers! Scanning unidentified figure. Will you be my friend? Get those slimy paws off me. I don't have slimy paws. They're pure metal. I'm a robot like you. Nobody cares. 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 What the?
Okay. Now just gotta wait for my what are they called again? Oh, whoever. Those giant humans. I'm gonna wait for them for opening me and play with me. Hello there. What are you doing?
Will you be my friend?
Well, how do I do that?
You accept. I'll help you.
Why would I need help? What do you mean?
Because you're in a boxy situation. What?
Nothing. But anyway, I'm just waiting for my owner. So, oh, that's what they're called. My owner.
You mean a 5-year-old?
Yeah. And also, I've been stuck in this box. What am I doing here?
I don't know.
So anyway, I'm just gonna wait for my owner. I'm just gonna watch him over there and wait for him. Maybe for eternity.
Yeah, I can see his foot.
Oh. Hello, owner.
Bye!
We're gonna be best friends forever and ever. You too, skeleton. kill me. Oh wait, I'm already dead. What are you talking? I don't know. I come from people's souls, and my head is backwards.